Welcome to REI Data Pros, Data Organizer and Pricing Tool. As the old saying goes, time is money. We only have so much time, and we can all use more money. Let me show you how the Data Organizer and Pricing Tool can save you a lot of time and frustration, and how this tool will allow you to focus more on making the money. One of the time-consuming parts of a direct mail campaign is getting the messy data from your provider into an organized and usable dataset. You can take this messy dataset and quickly pull any of the raw data and place it into any column within the data organizer with the click of a button. If you would like to change the location of a specific column within the data organizer, you can simply change the title of the column and enter the raw data location into the box above the new desired column. For example, if you would like the zip code of the property to be next to the APN for pricing purposes, then simply rename the column next to the APN to the property zip code. Pull up your raw data and find the column that has the property zip code data. In this case it is column AD. We can see that row 1 is the title row, and the raw data starts at row 2. The ending row number of the raw data will depend on the size of your data set. Now go back to the data organizer and enter the data location information. After the information has been entered, simply press the Pull Data button to move the data to the new column. As you can see, the data organizer can be customized any way you see fit. Let's take a look at the pricing tool included in the data organizer. Pricing properties manually is the most accurate way to price a mail campaign for best results. Any type of auto pricing software that you might consider using is missing the logical thinking of a real person and can result in a poorly priced mailer with suboptimal results. Anyone who has priced a mailer manually knows how difficult it can be. The pricing tool included with the data organizer is designed to reduce the time it takes to price a mailer. The pricing tool gives you the ability to sort the data using any column and price each line separately, or the ability to price multiple lines at once. To use the pricing tool, simply decide what price you want to use for each APN, zip code, or city. Enter the start and end column and rows into the pricing tool. Enter the price per acre or square foot, and press the Price Entry button. The pricing tool will automatically price each property per your settings. The data organizer and pricing tool also gives you the ability to add mailer reference information to your data by simply entering your information and clicking the button. The data organizer and pricing tool is available for house and land investors just like you. Let the data organizer and pricing tool save you a ton of valuable time. If you have any questions, please let us know. We will quickly answer any questions you may have. Get your copy of the data organizer today.